In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay rate in Xero. If you need to update what an employee earns, the safest place to do it is in their pay template. That way, the new rate flows into every future pay run automatically. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and fields so you can make the change with confidence. From the Xero dashboard, open Payroll. This takes you to your payroll hub where all employee pay settings live. Next, go to Employees to see your employee list. Choose the person whose rate you're updating. This opens their payroll profile. Within their profile, find and open the pay template. The pay template holds the default earnings, hours, and rates that Xero uses when you create a pay run. To set or change the rate, add a new line by selecting Add Earnings Line. In the window that appears, choose an earnings rate. This is the pay item that determines how the hours are paid. For most hourly staff, you'll pick ordinary hours as the example shown here. After selecting the correct earnings rate, confirm by clicking OK. Using the right pay item matters because it affects reporting, leave accruals, and any overtime or allowance rules you may have set up. Back on the template, enter the default hours you expect for each pay period on this line. This helps Xero pre-fill the pay run, though you can still adjust hours later if needed. Then, in the rate field, enter the new pay rate for this employee. Double check the unit shown beside the field so you're entering an hourly rate when the pay item is hourly. Accuracy here ensures gross pay calculates correctly. When everything looks right, finish by clicking Save. Your changes are now stored on the pay template. A few quick checks can help avoid surprises. Confirm the effective date. Changes apply to future pay runs and won't alter past ones. If a pay run is already drafted, make sure it reflects the new rate before you approve it. Also confirm you have the right payroll permissions to edit templates. That's it. Your employee's pay rate is updated and ready to flow through to the next payroll.